In order to take beautiful product photos of my handcrafted leather bags, I often do my nails at home, whether it's a polish, gel polish, or a dip powder. I try to make sure that I keep my nails done so that when I do finish a bag, I can take product pictures with it. Now, whether it's taking a picture for one of my handcrafted leather bags or whether it's an oil painting and I want my hands to be shown inside the photo, I often just go ahead, do my nails, and take the photos. Many of you don't know this, but I was a nail technician in nursing school. This is how I help pay the bills. Enjoy.